Okay, there we go. I can see everybody now. Okay, that was better.
Hello, everybody. I am so bad at this, but whatever.
She's such a white person.
That was. Hey, you're whiter than me.
No, actually, no, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Totally.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not.
Actually, I think you're.
I look whiter in the camera though, but not in
I
real
was
life.
talking about nationality-wise.
Oh, I'm like about to say, I'm like, I have dark skin, like a lightish, darkish skin. I do.
Ready? We are. Let's go.
Okay, that was really bad.
Pain is beauty.
Gotta fix your hair.
Okay. This needs to go faster.
I never knew that's what our channel would be about.
Yeah, it was pretty surprising.
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay, never mind.
That was a good one.
That was the Sorsha. This is right in the middle, but it chose Sorsha.
I'm like it's blue and green. Better than me.
See, she doesn't remember names. I Sorsha. I
the
said
master.
Sorsha.
I am the goddess. I am the queen. I built the pyramids. Just kidding. With this pinky.
Man.
Ugh. Hey, big head.
Excuse me.
You're getting in my space here.
You're a grape head. You're getting him. You're. There you go.
Jimmy Neutron. Big old head.
What's your big head, Sorsha?
Well, actually, it's not her head.
No, don't die.
I changed the time into it to be short.
For a bird video, this is not a bird video, honey. That's not.
Right?
That's good.
I fixed it. I fixed the camera.
Kind of.
I didn't crack it.
There we go. That's better.
She makes sure she does it at me too. I'm always the person you burp at for some reason.
So get ready.
Ah,
Shit.
this needs to be a better angle.
I'm gonna break my mama's thing. Just for it to be a better angle.
I still think the best sucks.
Yeah, it's right there.
My lips hurt so bad.
This is just so funny.
Okay, stop it.
Sorry.
My lips hurt so bad. I need a water bottle to chug down.
We have water bottle in the back.
Yeah, in the trunk.
You go too.
Like, let's just do water bottle because I know this is gonna be boring.
There might be a Sprite back there.
I think there is Sprite.
Oh, there is. You know, I'll do that for your wedding. It's
No, Ace and Sarah.
Just take your water bottle.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Okay.
Look at the shape.
Really? You
What
look
kind of
like
secrets
you
you
look
got
like
in there?
it's the looking like from the dude from freaking what you would call it, Beetlejuice, the guy with the small head and the big old body for me.
Trying to call out a goat or something.
Please no burping on command. That's just the most.
You know,
Who
she's
came
just
up with
drama.
that?